had a vegetable soup, but here is a different. Stone means kal soup. ಅವರು ಈ ಕಲ್ soup ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಂತೆ. Let's read the lesson. The battle was just over between Vijayghar and Singhad. Vijayghar had managed to defeat Singhad and carry all the bounty back home. Amidst the celebrations, weary soldiers were going back home to their families. 3 of them found themselves treading down a deep forest in a strange place. Having eaten nothing at all for 2 days, they were very, very hungry. They yearned for a good dinner and a soft bed to sleep in. Here, in this starting beginning of the lessons, there are a battle. Battle ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯುದ್ಧ. ಎರಡು ಯುದ್ಧ ಆಯಿತು. ಏನು ವಿಜಯಗರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿಂಗರ್ಗೆ ಯುದ್ಧ ಆಯಿತು. ಓಕೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಟಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. Then they managed to win. Then all soldiers went to the home, but 3 soldiers ಗೆ very painful. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗಾಯ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. Then they stayed in a forest only. They can't go to anywhere home, so they left in a forest. ಅವರು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇತ್ತು, but they not had it to eat food and they not had it to bed to sleep. Suddenly they saw the lights of a village of a few pieces away from them. Their hopes were up, as they were sure the villagers would be kind enough to give them a bit to eat and a place to rest for the night. Then suddenly the 3 soldiers saw the one village. Forest ಇತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪಕ್ಕ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಇತ್ತು. They saw the one village. They thought the village people will give some food to eat and they gave a place to rest. They thought like this. But as lucky would have it, the people of that villages were very wary of strangers. They believed that the soldiers were always hungry and they would finish up whatever little food the villagers had stored for the winters. But the village people thought the soldiers always ate whole food. They are always hungry. But so that the village people saw the 3 soldiers are coming. So they thought ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಫುಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಬಚ್ಚ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರು. They storage for winter. The village people are storage for winter foods. The villagers whispered amongst themselves and rushed to hide their food before the soldiers arrived. They pushed the sacks of wheat under the high in the loaves. Here the villagers whispered ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಿವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನೋಡಿ. Then the soldiers are coming, please hide our whole food. Then ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಈ ಥರ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಈ ಥರ ತುಂಬ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ರೂಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಲೋಫ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ರೂಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು, ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂಡರ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ರೂಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ರೂಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಫುಡ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರು, ಬಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರು. They spread old quilts over the carrot beans. They hide their cabbages and potatoes under the beds. They hide their chickens and their goats. And then also our potato, cabbage, the vegetables, carrots ಇತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಅದನ್ನು ಹೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಹೈಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬಚ್ಚಿಟ್ರು. Then chickens, goats ಅವ್ರದೆಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, there also they hided all things. The first house the soldiers knocked on was opened by Manjunath. They said to him hopefully, "Good evening, kind farmer. We are tired and hungry. Could you spare a bit of a food for us?" Then the 3 soldiers go to the one house. They knocked at his house. The one guy, his name is Manjunath. Then the 3 soldiers asked, "We are so tired and we are feeling hungry. Please give some food to eat." But Manjunath answered with a sad face, "Oh, I would have loved to, dear soldier, but it has been a poor harvest and we ourselves have gone hungry for the last 3 days." Then Manjunath sadly answered, "Oh dear, even we are not having food for 3 days. We are not eaten any food for 3 days. Please, sorry, we are not having anything to give you. Never mind, said the soldiers. The soldiers did not lose hope. They went from one door to another, but the answer was always the same. They all had good reasons. Their harvest had been poor, and all the grains had to be kept for the seeds. The cows had not given milk for a day. All the livestock had been eaten up, and to top it all, they had no empty beds. Then here again the soldiers said to Manjunath, okay, don't mind, we will go other home. Then they went other home. All villagers all said the same reason. Some villagers all said, see, no crops is there. ನಾವು agriculture ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, crops ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. Then some people said that the cows are not giving milk to us, so we are not having money to buy a food, so we are not having even then so again the soldiers said, so give one place to rest please. Then they said, no, here is no bed is there, all bed are full, no empty bed is there, they said. The three soldiers had understood by now that the villagers were not keen on helping them. They talked together and came up with a plan. Then again the three soldiers suddenly they are not ready to, the villagers are not ready to help us. Then they made one plan. Then they called to all villagers. Then the first soldier called out, good people, the villagers draw near. We are three hungry soldiers. We have asked you for food and you have no food. Well, I have to make a stone soup. Then there three soldiers, in this three soldiers, one soldier is called to all villagers. Then they said, good people, you are not having food to give us, so we are ready to make a stone soup. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಲ್ಲಿಂದ soup ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. The villagers were shocked. Stone soup? How on earth could soup be made up of stone? Then the villagers are shocked. Okay, they told how they prepare stone soup. Would you be kind enough to get as a large iron pot? The soldiers said that the villagers were curious to know how this recipe. They brought the largest pot they could find. Then one of villagers said, how they prepare your stone soup? Then soldiers said, I will prepare. Okay, please help. Give one iron pot. Iron pot ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕಬ್ಬಿಣದ ಪಾಟ್, ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಕಬ್ಬಿಣದ ಪಾಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ವಿಲೇಜರ್ಸ್ ಅದು ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ನೋ ದ ರೆಸಿಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಸೂಪ್. That will be fine, said the soldiers, and no water to fill it and a fire to heat it. Then one soldier said, then fill the iron pot, fill of water. Then ಅವರು ಬೆಂಕಿ ಹಚ್ಚಿದ್ರು, ಫೈರ್ ಆಯಿತು. Bucket and buckets of water were poured into the fill to the pot. A huge fire was built on the villagers' square, and the pot was set to boil. And now we would need 3 round smooth stones. Then ಅದು ಕಬ್ಬಿಣದ pot ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಫೈರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಟರು, ಒಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಟರು. ಒಲೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೊರೆ ಕುದಿಸಿದ್ರೆ the fire is huge. Then they added